I moved to Japan 1 year ago, but somehow I always felt limited in a way. Even though the public transport is first class, but when I want to explore and travel, I just felt limited in a way, especially in Hokkaido. This road trip is not about any destination, it's not about the Cape Kamui or the coastal road. It's about that feeling that yes, finally I can explore the way I wanted. Getting my Japanese driver's license actually changed that. This is not just about being able to drive, it's about that feeling. This was the first time I felt like, okay, now I can explore and go to places the way I wanted without having any time constraints or thinking about how to get back to the city. When I first started to explore and look for places to explore, Cape Kamui and Shakotan was the first place that caught my eye. And finally being able to come here and drive here, it feels so good. Standing near the cliff, it just reminded me 1 year ago this place was so out of reach, and now I finally made it. These feelings I cannot explain in words. This might feel like a small thing to some, but when you are living in a different country, these small things matter. After Cape Kamui, I stopped by the Shimamui Coast. As the day was ending and the clouds were rolling in, that coastline felt so beautiful. I was just walking along the path and enjoying the view. Little raindrops were falling in my face, and this was just reminding me how much I missed that. This is not about any big adventure or any big trip. I just enjoyed this whole trip just because how simple and peaceful it was. I was looking for that freedom last whole year and finally I got that. And this is the only achievement from this trip for me. I don't know where I will go next, but now I know that no matter which place I choose, I can go there and explore in my own terms. So feel free to subscribe to see the next adventure. Catch you guys on the next one.